In today's video, I'll show you how to use the reporting view in Todoist to see how productive you've really been. It's easy to finish tasks all week and still feel like you're not sure where your time went. Reporting gives you a clear, visual answer, turning all those completed tasks into trends you can actually learn from. Let's find it in the left sidebar. You'll see reporting listed there with the other main views. Go ahead and click it. This opens up your personal productivity dashboard, where Todoist shows you a picture of your activity over time. Not just a flat list, but real charts and numbers. At the top, you'll see your daily and weekly progress, including how many tasks you've completed and whether you're hitting your goals. Todoist lets you set a daily and weekly target, and reporting shows you exactly how you're tracking against them. Scroll down and you'll find your completed tasks broken out over time, or cheat the måttwork parsi or tastimern, so you can spot your most productive days and your quieter ones. This is also where your karma lives, Todoist's way of rewarding consistency. As you complete tasks and keep streaks going, your karma level rises, giving you a simple, motivating sense of momentum. It turns staying organized into something that feels genuinely rewarding. The real value of reporting is reflection. Checking in once a week helps you understand your own patterns, when you do your best work, where you tend to fall behind, and how to plan smarter going forward. It quietly turns Todoist from a to-do list into a tool for actually improving how you work. Give reporting a look in your own account and see what your week really looks like. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.